Welcome back to video number 3 of our Ultimate Excel Beginner course. In the last video, we learned how to enter data fast. Today, we are going to take this messy, ugly-looking data and transform it into a beautiful, professional table in just minutes. Let's clean this up. First, let's work on the text appearance. Look at our table headers: name, age, department, and salary. They look exactly like the rest of the data, which is bad. To make them stand out, select the entire first row. Now, go to the Home tab on your ribbon and click the B icon to make the text bold. Next, let's increase the font size to 14. Finally, click the Center Align button to move the text to the middle of each cell. Now, it already looks like a real header. Next, let's add some professional colors. Keep the header row selected and click on the Fill Color tool, which looks like a small paint bucket. Avoid using bright neon colors because they look unprofessional. Instead, choose a dark classic color, like dark blue. Oh look, now our black text is hidden. To fix this, go to the Font Color tool right next to it and change the text color to white. Wow, that looks incredibly professional. Now, if you print the sheet right now, you won't see any grid lines. It will just be numbers on a blank white paper. To fix this, we need to add borders. Select your entire data table from top to bottom. Go back to the font group on the ribbon, click the small arrow next to the border icon, and select all borders. Instantly, clean black lines will appear around every single cell. What if you want to add a main title above your table? Right now, if you type a title, it stays in one corner. To fix this, select the cells directly above your table across all your columns. Now, click the Merge and Center button on the Home tab. Excel will combine all those individual cells into one large cell, and your title will be perfectly centered. Let's type Company Employee Directory here and make it bold. That is it. In just minutes, we turned a boring spreadsheet into a corporate-ready report using fonts, colors, and borders. In the next video, we are going to look at one of Excel's coolest features, autofill and flash fill, which will automate your work. Don't forget to download today's practice file from the description. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. See you in video number 4.